Today I have one Kia Optima and this car have a problem airbag light on, and fault code is B1490 Occupant Classification System, OCS. Okay, so today I will show you where is the occupant classification system sensor. Okay, OCS sensor I will show you. B1490. Here you can see passenger side, passenger seat inside. You can see here. Okay, under the passenger seat, see there is one sensor. This is occupant classification system. This one, occupant classification system sensor. When passenger seat here, and then passenger airbag have to on. That's the system. This one. Or if this sensor occupant classification sensor damage, this system not working. See, this is the system. This one, the passenger seat here. It should be a passenger airbag on. Okay. Thank you.